Do the other two girls want to go for a ride too? Or just you?
No, maybe take it.
Just hold on. I'll get them. Drew, did you want to go for a ride?
No, my friend.
Etienne is in the fire truck.
Can they go for a ride there at the harbor?
That's my cousin Arlene's, her husband Harley. He's with the volunteer fire department. That's my cousin Arlene there, talking to Harley.
Yeah, they're going to go for a drive up there. You come
That's my Auntie Joyce.
Come on, girls.
Oh, sorry.
No, I got you in the shot.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm filming it for Joey.
Can we all get in there?
I guess.
Hey! Everybody's following you. Trevor had the biscuits laying down in the back seat.
Oh, yeah.
Arlene must be going with them. How can they all get you there?
I don't know. Probably somebody sitting in someone's lap. Etienne's in there with them. Oh, no, there he is.
Already there.
Etienne, tell Daddy what you thought of that, babe.
Yeah, I know. The girls.
Tell Daddy what you thought of that.
Hi. Hi.
Yeah.
What's in the fire truck?
She's like, can I go for a drive?
You thought that was pretty cool, huh? He was just beside himself. He was giddy. He thought that was really cool, especially when he got to press the buttons and turn the siren on. He thought that was something.